Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and on this channel we talk about photography and art, the philosophy of it, the technique of it, and sometimes the business of it. In this case, it's technique, I guess, but also business. This was something that I shot for a modeling agency. So if you do shots for models and you are working with an agency, this might be the kind of thing that would work for you. This model came in, they needed some nice clean shots. Now, when you're photographing somebody like this, he is in good shape, right? He's a physically fit male, and I wanted to showcase that. I wanted to show the squared jaw, the muscle tone in his arm here, and in his, the neck and stuff. So, of course, obviously part of that is outfit, but part of it is using shadow. Shadow will show shape. So this is actually, it's a soft light, clearly, right? But there's just one light here. This is a big old 5-foot octa. Is that an octa? I think I drew it enough sides. But right here, it's backed up, and I've removed the front diffuser, so it just has a central diffuser. That makes it a little bit more punchy, if you will, so you get a little more specularity to it, and basically just comes in and lights them up. Yeah, I did some where he was looking at me, kind of more Rembrandt lighty, but I kind of like this side view because it really does show the shape of the face, and it works really well. This ended up being the front of his card, so that's always cool. And, again, simple outfit for a look like this. They're going to be getting new shots constantly, but you want to make sure the outfits are simple and that they highlight the model, not just your photography. So let me know, have you guys ever worked with models like this for agencies, developing them? I'd love to know. Tell me in the comments below. Also, check the description below. You'll find a link to my Patreon, where you can support the channel, and also the Discord server if you want to join the conversation over there. I'll talk to you soon.